OLDHAM Ramblers volunteer footpath clearance and maintenance team were out again last Tuesday, when, the 24th of June 2025, where we all met at the Farrars Arms car park, Grasscroft. Thank you to the Farrars for allowing us to use their car park. Working on Footpath FP116 Saddleworth, strimmed and cut back trees, cleared vegetation, and discovered and revealed the wooden signpost at the start of the footpath. 7 volunteers out this week: Ken, Paul, Mike, Keith, Neil, Steve and Bob. A big thank you to all the volunteers and thank you for watching. Volunteers working for walkers. Keep on walking.